In a study, researchers wanted to measure the effect of alcohol on the hippocampal region, the portion of the brain responsible for long-term memory storage in adolescents. The researchers randomly selected 23 adolescents with alcohol use disorders to determine whether the hippocampal volume in alcoholic adolescents were less than normal volume of 9.02 centimeters cubed. An analysis of the sample data revealed that the hippocampal volume is approximately normal with a sample mean of 8.11 centimeters cubed and a standard deviation of 0.8 centimeters cubed. Conduct the appropriate test at the 0.01 level of significance. So we have a rather small alpha here. Okay, state the null and alternative hypothesis. Okay, so we're going to, often I'll go with H1 first. Okay, some keywords here. We're trying to see where is this sample less than the volume of 9.02. So I'm going to go ahead and put my less than 9.02. And the null, when I'm working with symbols here, always going to be equal. Now, I'll be honest, that's just a textbook issue. Most books will use equals for this, and I pulled problems in from a few different books. The book that we are using does not use that. They will use the opposite of less than. So our book would actually have stated greater than equal to, which isn't even an option on this case. Equals 9.02. Notice these two numbers will always be the same. And these represent our population. So don't confuse the 8.11. It's the population mean that's 9.02. Okay, now we need to identify the test statistic. So let's run over StatCrunch. So we're going to go to Stat, T-Stat, one sample, and again we're given a summary statistics. So the sample mean, I've already forgotten all that, so let me run back over there. Here's my sample mean, 8.11, standard deviation at 0.8. And our sample size was 23. We're testing at 9.02. And recall we had this less than 9.02. And press compute. Okay, so our test statistic, this is a fairly large absolute value test statistic, so negative 5.455. Okay, now identify the p-value. Here it just says less than 0.0001, so that'll have to do. 0.0001, so 3 zeros. Okay, since it said it was the 3 places, we're just going to put 0. Make a conclusion. So this is a pretty low p-value, right? Can't get lower than 0, although that is rounded. So we are going to reject HO. There is enough evidence to claim the mean hippocampal volume is less than whatever we said, 9.02. All right, well, I hope that helps.